Hi guys. Oh, we're going?
Yeah, hit the record button.
You didn't say anything.
Okay, and action.
Welcome back to another Brown Bros Christmas series. We're losing light fast. Unfortunately, didn't film too much throughout the day, but got some of our trucks out here in front of our Christmas tree, and then is it panned over? Did you see it?
Yeah, no, they saw it. Yeah,
we gotta apply some tape on that. The lights are kind of falling off, but you know. Anywho, we're gonna install some stack extensions on our 359 Peterbilt. I wouldn't say today, but tonight. I got one of our hardest working employees here. His mom dropped him off so he could come do this video with us, but he's going ahead and he's starting to pull apart these stack extensions. Yeah, we can see him struggling over there. Let's go ahead and take a walk. How are we looking?
Good.
They're still on?
I got them primed off.
All right. So these are stack extensions. We're pulling these clamps off so we can slide the nice shiny part out. And then I got some new clamps that will slide over to our existing stacks. I did get new flex pipe and a whole bunch of other clamps so we can fix our exhaust because it is leaking really bad. Probably more exhaust comes out under the truck than it does out the stacks, but I think it's getting a little too cold and too dark to do all that. So if we get the stack extension on, that'll be freaking radical. So what's next?
Seem a little old.
Okay.
It's on there, so might need a prime bar.
Okay.
Small one.
You got one of those?
I do.
You got a pink one, don't you?
I do.
Let's go put a little pep in that stuff and go get some before we lose all this sunlight.
All right.
This is where we keep Jake when he's bad. So that's what they look like right now. They're like
Short?
way too short for what we're trying to accomplish here. Granted, we want big stacks, but we don't have the big stack money, so we're gonna deal with the cheap stack stuff and just throw the extensions on because they were free 99. Shout out Scott. I know you're watching this. So that'll at least put them up at the correct height, and I'll be super happy with that. But as you can see, we have our flex pipe here and our bunk clamps, and it's really ghetto. And there is still a like a giant muffler canister up in there. So, well, I feel like, let me get these, look at the lights on here. Booyah.
So everyone in the comments has been saying, paint it, paint it, paint it.
I think we have a good video idea on what we're gonna do with this
You
thing.
gonna leak it?
Should we?
Yeah.
We're gonna spray paint the entire.
Jake, what did we tell you about playing with your sister's screwdriver?
It's a prime bar.
It's pink.
Pink's a pretty good color.
Snap on.
Whoa. Whoa.
Easy, bud. All right, this one's loose. Pretty loose. Yep. This one is dented a little bit, so we might need to hit that with a hammer, straighten that out. You know, balling on a budget over here. What color's your Peterbilt?
It's not pink, I'll tell you what.
All right, we're gonna full send. I'm gonna grab one end, you're gonna grab one end, and we're just gonna. Hit it with your purse.
Ready? It's really not that hard. Hey, it's OSHA, Oregon OSHA. You can't be up there.
Who's in charge here today?
Who's in charge here today?
Let me see that impact. Probably should have wiped these down a little bit.
I still think it would have been way funnier to install these inside the garage and not be able to drive out.
All right, pass me that stack up. You're gonna have to tell me if these are like from the back. That's good.
Yep.
Right on. Now we're just gonna torque this up to spec. Nice and easy. Don't want to strip anything out.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, is it level?
Not really.
Yeah! All right. Jake, you want to grab the angle grinder, or we'll cut those doohickeys off?
Dude, let's get a little peek.
Theoretically, I can just...
What? How does that happen? Bro, that's the laziest hammer
You're
swing.
so slow.
Bro, let's go. Hit it with your purse.
Has to come out now.
Here, hold the light.
So gay.
Here. Ready?
Here, just put a little pressure on it.
Yeah. Piece of cake.
I hope we're not putting any of that in the video. How are we on straightness?
Honestly, pretty darn straight.
Let me tighten up the bottom and see what it does. How are we looking?
You're dialed.
Full send, baby. Torque to spec. Oh.
Dude, let's get a little look.
They're just, we need to clean them up. Because it's throwing me off, because you have polished, dirty.
Golly,
Polished
bro.
clamp.
Who is calling me mid-film?
Go give me the keys, Jake. I'll fire it up. I think they're behind the bar. All right, let's get a full start up here. All right, fire in the hole. Guys, let's find out what my new $20 exhaust sounds like. Oh, it actually sounds different. She's not very happy. She's not happy at all.
Dude, it looks so sick. I know you can't, come look at the camera.
Oh yeah. Nah, she's mad.
It looks really good. The stacks make it, like
Yeah.
the taller stack. I thought it, I mean, honestly, I thought it was gonna look a little funky having tall, skinny stacks.
Yeah.
But
I don't know, the 5-inch, so those are 5-inch. I think it's real kind of classy looking, especially for what we're trying to do right now, ball on a budget. I think it's perfect. We'll get some hand polish and clean them up so they look unison.
yeah.
But yeah, she's just chopping away. That's that 400 big cam. Thank you guys so much for watching our episode 2 of Vlogmas. I think the further on we're getting into this series will be a little more vlog style in our day-to-day life. We have just been super slammed trying to get ready for our Christmas party, which is tonight. So we're just running around trying to get everything ready, which explains why our showroom, which we still work on the GT40 in here, but we're converting it into a merch store. So you guys will be able to come and pick out some sweet merch at our shop. If you guys are ever in the area, 319 North Main Street, Rome, Texas is our shop address. So feel free, you can come by and come pick some stuff up. And we got our sweet new, I guess, mural on the wall. It looks awesome. Got some little decoration things going on. We do actually start carrying kid-size merchandise and our Viking tees. Just ran out of stock in our original Brown Bros shirts, but we'll place an order for that. Got some new hats here. The flat bills are actually back in stock. But yeah, got a bunch of awesome stuff going on. And I'm gonna end this video off right here and actually start the new video on getting everything ready for our Christmas party. So we'll see you in the next one.